We are in Lombok. We're about to try the Lombok meatballs. Maybe? I don't know. How are you?
Fine.
Good. This is meatballs?
Beef or chicken?
Beef.
Apa nih, manok atau daging?
Ini manok,
Ya.
ini daging.
This is chicken and then this one beef.
Beef.
Oh, the small ones.
Yeah, small one.
Tell him, no, I don't want the big balls. I want the small ones.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Tell him I
Coba.
don't want the big ones.
Yeah, no, no.
Coba dulu.
What's that? He just drizzled on it. But yeah, we are in Indo. I need some sauce, man. I can't
Oh, you
get
need sauce.
sauce for sure. Yeah,
Aduh saus.
Ada saus.
sauce for sure.
Campur dulu.
Oh, ask him what kind of meat is this?
Egg roll.
What kind of meat? Beef?
Beef and
Ini manok
then,
dia.
egg.
Egg?
Yes,
Okay,
beef
you
and
can put
egg.
sauce on this too?
Yes.
Okay. So we're gonna do this. All right, tell him I don't want that much. He's good. He's good.
Wah.
5.000.
Wah, iya sebentar.
Saus pedas manis.
Aja nih, berapa? Pas 5.000 je.
You got barbecue sauce?
Oh no,
Barbecue?
no.
What does he have? What kind of sauce?
Spicy sauce.
Spicy saus. Mayo saus.
Middle. Not
Yes,
too spicy.
middle.
Not too spicy. Yeah. All right, we're gonna shake it up, huh?
Shake.
All right. Sit. Sit. All right. Sit right here, huh? All right, I'm gonna tell y'all how these meatballs and Lombok season. You think I'm gonna like it, bro? All right. If I get sick, no.